Is it not like poisoning or something? Because it's not very clean. This is the biggest spoon I ever seen in my life. So brother, what's happening?
This is the small pot, which is 24,000 kilogram of food has been made it here tonight. And 27,400 people have eaten from it tonight.
How about the hygiene?
And it's been washed and been sanitized. And it's cost around 65,000 of Indian rupees to make it one time.
This is every day?
It's every day.
Jahangir?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's two pots, guys. This is a huge one. They're bearing food on it every single day, and there is one for donation.
They can eat it here, they can check with them as well.
Why they come?
They come for the blessing. The main reason is blessing.
This enormous pot is the biggest pot in India, and maybe in the whole world. Huge amounts of food are cooked in it daily.
Okay.
This is the pouring of water on it.
But why the water is orange?
Because they have put the saffron on it.
It's orange because they're putting this called
Saffron.
kind of spice in India. So they just watched the spoon. This is the biggest spoon I ever seen in my life. And this is the rice now. They're gonna put it soon. 3 people for this spoon.
In the name of Allah. Dates and coconut.
So this is the rice. Oh, what's happening? Oil and rice here.
What a mix. They got the best cooks in the world.
This is from our side, our family.
Ah, from your family.
You can pay $1,500 and donate, and you get this private pot to distribute to these people. The beneficiaries of this food here are schools, hospitals.
The community, they're living around here. Here, you can sponsor it.
So this is my sister. I'm Tejas. Yeah, it's believed to also bring your wishes true. Basically, like your mannat. Mannat is your wish. The goal is to basically, get positivity for your own family. Fulfill any mannat, any wish you have.
Why?
This kind man.
Tayyib is a big heart, man. This guy who helped us and everything. And bro, is it not like poisoning or something? Because it's not very clean.
We are having this from last 400 years, so we are fine and fit from that. So I hope you want as well.
They've become immune.
Now we will wait for them to finish this. Stay until the end. So this is the line, guys, for the food. Look. It's getting ready.
People are gathered here for the food. This is the queue. Butter.
So they put some butter and now they're adding some popcorn, I think, but
Fox nuts.
fox nut. And what is this?
Tutti frutti.
And now they're gonna test it. Someone gonna go inside and bring the food up. Now it really looks like kunafa. It's so sweet. Are you sure, brother? So basically everyone like putting his hand because they wanna get blessing from this food.
These are nuts. Nuts like cashews. They put a ladder in there to get the food. They're getting some blessings. These are the nuts. It's time to distribute the food. He got in with his feet.
Palestine, mashallah.
Palestine. Come to Ajmer,
Inshallah.
inshallah.
Wow, amazing, very tasty, sweet food.
This is the end, guys.
Welcome to Ajmer, yeah?
Welcome to my city, Ajmer.
Eid Mubarak. India, Ajmer.
There are more than 200 million Muslims living in India. Today, we filmed one story in a small city. If you like the video and you'd like us to dive deeper and make a second part, subscribe to the channel and like the video.
Mohabbat Sarbat, Ajmer Sharif, Mohabbat Sharbat.
Watermelon.
You're welcome, Marhaba.
This is your daughter?
She's the eldest one, she's the youngest one.
How old is she?
She's 6 years old.
Can you say hi?